So welcome sa second lecture ng Differential Equation. So before anything else, nawala. Wait lang. Okay? So, yan. So, yung topic natin today will be solutions of differential equation tsaka separation of variables, yung method ng pag-solve ng first order differential equation. So at the end of this session, hopefully, we'll be able to finish this outcome. So yung first one, to verify functions that serve as a solution to a differential equation. Next is to determine which functions satisfy differential equation. Third, to separate the variables of differential equations. And last, to solve equations leading to separation of variables. Okay? So start muna tayo sa solutions of differential equations. Okay? So pag sinabing solution ng differential equation, laging yung ano dyan is nasa terms ng unknown function y at independent variable x. Okay? So, pag sinabing solution ng differential equation, yung function mismo sana walang derivative na kasama sa kanya. Okay? So, equation siya na pwedeng in terms of x and y. Okay? Na basta sinasatisfy niyo yung differential equation natin. Okay? So, satisfy the differential equation identically for all x in I. Yung I is yung internal. Okay? Next. So, example na agad tayo kasi alam na naman natin kung ano yung gusto nyo sabihin. Okay? So, start tayo sa first example. Mas madali kasi siyang maintindihan through example. So, let's have this the first example. Show that y is equal to c e raised to x is a solution of y prime minus y is equal to 0. So, pinapahanap niya is yung kasi pag ganitong solution of differential equation yung pinapa-verify yung solution or yung given function natin, pinapa-verify kung solution mo. Ang pinaka-goal mo is mag-arrive ka sa same value ng given differential equation mo. So, say for example dito, naka-equate siya sa 0. Kailangan, yung values na pwede mo substitute dito sa y prime at y is mag-arrive sa 0 na value. So, makukuha natin yung values na yan dun sa solution natin. Ito yung solution. Yung y is equal to c e raised to x. Okay? So, kailangan natin ng y prime. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin siyang differentiate ng isang beses. Then y, yung y natin is yung the function of self, yung solution. So, kailangan natin kunin lang muna para ma-satisfy yan, para ma-check natin. Kunin natin yung first derivative ng isang function natin. Okay? So, as y is equals to c e raised to x. Yung first derivative nito, yung c natin is constant, tapos yung e raised to x yung ide-derive natin. So, derivative ng exponential o ng e is e du, no? So, e du. So, y prime is equals to c, constant, tapos e du, ang u natin is x. So, ang du niya is 1. So, times 1, e, x. Okay? So, ito hindi ko na nilagay na dx dito kasi naka-y prime na ako dito. Pero kung strictly speaking again, ito magiging dy equals to c times 1 e x dx. Okay? Tapos magiging dy over dx is equals to c dx. Or y prime is equals to c dx. So, same lang siya. Okay? Baka lang kasi may nagtataka ba't maging ganun yung solution. Okay? Next, since we have now a value for y prime, we can now substitute ito the given differential equation. So, ito yung differential equation natin. And remember, pag differential equation, combination siya ng function itself at ng derivatives niya. So, ito yung differential equation tinutukoy natin. Okay? So, we have y prime equals to y prime minus y equals to 0. And substitute natin yung values ng y prime and y. So, y prime is c e raised to x and y is c e raised to x is equals to 0. Same variable, parang 1 minus 1 is 0, equals to 0. So, since true yung given equation, therefore, y is equals to c e to x is example, sorry, ex is a solution of the differential equation. Okay? So basta na-satisfy niya to, yung kung saan naka-equate yung mismong differential equation. Sabihin, solution siya para dun sa problem na yan. Question for example number 1? Wala. Okay, let's proceed. Example number 2. So we have show that y equals to negative cosine x plus c is a solution of y prime equals to sine sine x. Okay? Okay, so anong gagawin natin dito? So ito yung mismong solution natin, no? Ito yung function natin, then ito yung differential equation natin. Okay? So kailangan ma-equal natin siya sa sine x. So yung y prime natin. So y prime ang hinahanap. So since may given tayong y, kunin lang natin yung derivative ng y. Okay? So y equals to negative cosine x plus c. So y prime natin is y prime is equals to derivative ng cosine is ano, negative sine. So negative sine x plus c. Plus c is constant, so derivative ng constant is 0. So itong y prime is equals to sine x. Okay? Then substituting to the original differential equation, sine x. So makikita naman natin na nag-equate yung mismong function natin. So therefore, sa solution. Okay? Therefore, yung given yx is solution of the given d. Okay? So madali lang siya kung tutusin. Application lang siya ng differential katanang differential equation ng linear. Okay? Third example. Question dito. Okay naman, no? Okay? Next. Okay, so yung number 2. Nawala yung number 3. Wait lang. Nawala yung number 2. Okay? So, yain na. Pag may number 3 dapat. Okay, lagyan ko ng number 3, no? I-add na lang ako ng sheet. Sulat ko na lang. Sorry. Okay. Example number 3. Let's try is y x equals to c1 sine 2x plus c2 cosine 2x a solution of y double prime plus 4y equals to 0. Okay? Ito yung question natin number 3. Is yung given function natin, yx equals to c1 sine 2x plus c2 cosine 2x, a solution of y double prime plus 4y equals to 0. So again, our function or solution is this one. Ito yung solution natin. Then, ito yung differential equation natin. Pag ito yung differential equation natin, meron dapat tayong value ng second derivative ng y double prime. So, kailangan i-derive natin yung given solution natin twice para magkanaroon tayo ng second derivative. Okay? So, second derivative natin. So, lagay ko na lang y is equals to c1 sine 2x plus c2 cosine 2x. Okay? Kung yung first derivative, so we have y prime equals to C1. Then sin 2x, derivative niya is cosine 2x times yung derivative ng loob is 2. Then sa kasunod, C2, negative sine 2x times yung derivative niya ng 2. Okay? Then simplify, we have 2 C1 cosine 2x minus 2 C2 sine 2x. Okay? So ito yung first derivative natin. Then kailangan natin second derivative, so kunin lang natin yung second derivative ng given problem natin. So second derivative, y double prime equals to 2c1. Then derivative ng cosine 2x is negative sine 2x times 2x. Okay? Minus 2c2. Derivative ng cosine ng sine is cosine 2x. The derivative ng 2x is 2. Okay? Simplify. We have negative 4c1 sine 2x minus 4c2 cosine 2x. Okay? Ito yung second derivative natin. Then gagawin natin ngayon, mas meron pa tayong value ng second derivative. Then, ang required naman sa function natin is y double prime tsaka yung value lang ng y. Substitute na natin sa given differential equation natin. And given differential equation natin is y double prime plus 4y is equals to 0. So, substituting the values, negative 4c1 sine 2x, okay, negative 4c2 cosine 2x plus 4 times yung value ng y natin ay yung original function which is ito. So, c1 sine 2x plus c2 cosine 2x. Equal na dapat siya sa 0. So, pag minultiply natin to, distribute natin doon. Then, meron tayo negative 4 dito, negative 4 dito. Then, c1, c2. Pag sinimplify, magiging lang yan. 0 is equals to 0. So, therefore, ito yung relationship niya. So, ibig sabihin, yung given solution, yung function, is a solution of the differential equation. Okay? So, yun po yun. Okay? Question sa number 3? Okay? So, okay pa? Okay. So, hanggang dito yung exam, dito sa dinidiscuss tong first topic na to. So, starting from identification ng order and degree hanggang dito. Okay? Next example, number 4. So, yung number 4 is an example of an initial value problem. So, pag sinabing initial value problem, may mga certain parameters or conditions ang binibigay. Like for example dito, kapag pag ang function daw natin o yung x value natin is equals to 0, equals to sa 0 yung y function. Then kapag yung first derivative daw natin equals to 0, yung x, yung y prime daw is equals to 1. So, may particular value siyang ina-assign na pwede mong i-test kapag sinasolve mo na yung problem. Okay? So, let's start. Okay? So, find the solution to the initial value problem. Yung given differential equation natin is y double prime plus 4y. So, the same as the previous differential equation. So, if the general solution to the differential equation is known to be itong value na to. Okay? So, nakuha na naman natin yung value mo. So, ang gagawin natin? So, kailangan, since meron tayong binigay na initial value, makukuha na natin yung arbitrary constant natin na value. So, unlike dito sa previous example natin, nakuha natin yung y double prime pero hindi natin nakuha yung value. Nag-cancel out lang siya dahil sinasatisfy niya yung given equation. Ngayon, ang pinapahanap sa atin ngayon is yung mismong value ng solution na to. So, yung mismong ano yung value nitong solution na to kapag i-identify natin yung C1 and C2. Okay? So, paano natin maano yun? So, gamitin natin yung first initial condition. Sabi niya, y, kapag ang x is equals to 0, dun sa y, equals to sa 0 yung function natin. So, sulat ko yun. So, y, x is equals to c1 sin 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Then, kapag x is 0 daw, so y is 0 equals to c1 sin 2 times 0 plus c2 cosine 2 times 0 equals to yun sa 0. Okay? So, ano mangyayari dito? So, dito, ang sin 0, anong value ng sin 0? 0. Okay? Ito magiging 0 to. So, 0 times yung constant. So, will be 0. Tapos, cosine 0 is equals to 1. Okay? So, matitira sa equation na to is C2 is equals to 0. So, yun yung first value natin ng arbitrary constant. Yung sa C2. Okay? So, pwede mo nang gamitin later on yan dun sa value ng C2 mo. Then, kasunod, yung second condition natin, yung y prime daw natin is equals to 1 kapag x is equals to 0. So, ano ba yung equation natin ng y prime? Yung y prime natin, dun sa previous slide, ito. So, copy ko lang. Okay. So, ito yung sinok pa natin na y prime sa kanya. So, solve lang natin to. So, yung y prime daw equals to 0. Pag yung x is equals to 0, ang y prime is equals to 1. So, 1 is equals to 2. C1 cosine 2 times 0 minus 2 C2 sine 2 times 0. Again, yung itong part na to is magiging 0 lang kasi sine 0 is 0. So, 1 is equals to, ito magiging 1. So, 2C1. So, may value tayo na C1 is equals to 1 half. Okay? So, nakuha natin yung value ng C1 na 1 half. So, meron tayong C1 and C2 from the original equation. Yx equals to C1 sin 2x plus C2 cosine 2x. Substitute lang natin yung value ng C1. So, 1 half sin 2x. Then C2, so 0 times cosine 0 na yun. Ibig sabihin, pinaka-final answer natin is ito na. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung solution para dun sa initial value problem. Or given yung parameters or conditions na yun, ito yung hinahanap nating solution. Okay? Question? Okay na tayo dito? Okay? So again, silence means yes. Okay. Okay, so start na tayo sa next topic. Okay na talaga dito? Feedback? Anybody? Kahit sa chat? Kung okay na. Hello? May online ba? Wala mo lang sasagot.
Okay na po.
Ayan. Buti naman may sumagot. Ano? Tamad na tamad sumagot. Ano ba yan? Okay. Next example natin. So, next topic, methods for solving equations of order 1. So, we have basically three examples or three methods na kailangan natin talaga. Pero yung isasama natin sa exam is wala pa dito. So, yung discuss lang natin is yung first one lang, separation requirements. Kasi ahead na tayo dun sa ibang subjects. So, dapat i-discuss mo sana itong modules. Para nakausap ko sa Sir Ulrich na hanggang solutions lang din yung exam niya. So, ipapattern na lang natin yung discussion. Yung exam hanggang dun sa discussion nila. Okay, hanggang solutions lang. So, for today, our topic will be until separation of variables. Okay? So, equations of order 1, so meaning, lahat ng differentials natin is first derivative lang. Ibig sabihin, no? Kasi order 1 lang. So, any differential equation of order 1 may be written in the following terms or forms. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka, ano sa kanya, yung pinaka prevalent, o pinaka laging nakikita. So, may given kang function m in terms of x and y times dx, then function n in terms of x and y times dy is equal to 0. Then, isang form, m plus n y prime. Naging y prime yun kasi dinivide na si dx. No? Or nandun si dx sa n side. Then, yung last is kapag yung y prime is nasa other side of the equation. Okay? So, yan lang yung iba't ibang forms niya. So, basically, sinasabi lang niya kung ano yung itsura ng differential equation of order 1. Okay? So, in solving this kind of differential equation, ito yung first method natin, separation of variables. So, definition niya is a special method to solve some differential equations. It can be used kapag all the y terms, including dy, can be moved to one side of the equation. Okay? Number 2, all the x terms, including dx, can be moved to the other side. Okay? So, pwedeng i-transpose into magkaibang sa left and right side yung mismong given function natin. So, pwedeng gamitin yung separated variable. So, paano siya nagiging non-separable yung equation natin, not separable? Kapag, may product tayo ng variables, so mahirap siyang i-separate, no? So, ano yung mga example ng ganitong form? So, let's say, for example, bigay tayo ng example kung saan pwede natin gamitin yung method na yun. So, halimbawa, meron tayong first example, yung function natin, dy is equals to dx equals to negative x over y. Okay? So, separable ba siya o hindi? So, try nyo i-cross multiply. Pag cross multiply siya magiging y dy is equals to negative x dx. So, magkahiwalay yung y variable sa left side, then yung x variable sa right side. So, meaning, this is separable, no? Mali. Okay? Next, another example ng function. So, let's say meron tayong dy over dx is equals to y plus 1. So, separable ba siya o hindi? So, by using, pwedeng cross-multiply din kasi ito meron tong over 1 na denominator. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin i-transform yun as dy all over y plus 1 is equals to dx. So, again, magkahiwalay na yung y and x sa each side of the equation. So, therefore, siya ay separable din. Okay. Okay, next example. So, let's see first. Alin?
Yung pag-cross multiply ko.
Ayan, no? Hindi. Pagka cross multiply mo, sorry, interchange pala yung ginawa ko. Pero pag cross multiply mo, so yung dy is equals to y plus 1. Pagawin natin, ha? So, pag cross multiply, magiging siyang dy times 1 equals to y plus 1 dx. Then, gagawin mo lang, i-divide mo din both side by y plus 1 kasi kailangan mo ma-separate yung variable. So, magiging same na nito.
Okay, sir. Sinorgat mo na po.
Na ano pa lang, na shortcut lang. Okay? So, pwede interchange or cross multiply. Okay? Next, halimbawa, given yung equation na dy over dx is equals to x squared y. Separable ba yan o hindi? So, one way of knowing, since ano yan, pwedeng i-multiply natin yung dx sa kabila. So, we have dy is equals to x squared y dx. Then, kailangan mahiwalay natin si y. So, para mawala dun si y, divide natin both side by y. So, matitira is dy over y is equals to x squared dx. Okay? So, therefore, separable siya. Okay? Next example. So, let's try halimbawa dy over dx is equals to x plus y. Separable o hindi? So, pag tinry mong i-cross multiply, may siyang dy is equals to x plus y dx. Okay? So, pag dinistribute yun, magiging x dx plus y dx. So, kailangan malipat natin si x dito sa kabila, sa left side. Kasi, laging magiging kasama niyo si dx. So, therefore, hindi mo silang papaghiwalay. So, therefore, this particular example is not separable. No? Okay? Kasi meron tayong product ng function tsaka ng derivative x. Okay? Last. So, let's say we have dy over dx equals to xy plus 1. So, without siguro cross multiplying na, makikita mo na agad na x times y agad to. So, mahirap na siya agad ma-eliminate, no? Kasi lagi magiging kasama si x kapag halimbawa nilipat mo si y doon sa left side. Kasama pa din niya si y. O hindi siya masaseparate. Therefore, not separable pa din. Basta ang goal mo ba paghiwalay si ay at si x? No? Para mas tuloy siyang separable yung given equation. Okay? So, once separable na siya, ano yung gagawin mo? So, meron kang 3 steps in using yung separation of variables para makuha mo yung solution dun sa given differential equation. Once na approve mo na ano siya, separable yung variables mo. First one is, yun nga, move all the y terms to one side of the equation and all the x terms to the other side. Number 2 is to integrate in each side with respect to y, tapos yung isa with respect to x. Don't forget yung concept of integration natin, plus c, kasi integral yung ginagawa natin. Then, last is to simplify. Okay? So, paano to ginagawa o paano mas maintindihan to? So, let's have our first example. Our first example, find the solution of the given differential equation. The differential equation is given as dy over dx is equals to k times y, where k is a constant number. A constant, arbitrary constant. So, kailangan ma-separate mo siya. So, yung solution natin dyan will be, so, since ky yun, so parang coefficient yun ng y. So, pinakamadali nang gawin is to interchange yung dx saka yung ky. So, we have dy over dx is equals to ky over 1. And interchange natin yung dalawa. Let's multiply kung medyo dx, tapos tsaka natin i-divide by ky. Ayan. So, nagigitong dy over ky is equals to dx. Okay? So, once na-separate na natin yung y and an x sa each side, kasunod natin, ito yung first step natin. So, second step natin is to integrate. So, we have dy all over ky equals to dx. So, integrate daw natin. Kapag integrate tayo, since ito, ang u natin dito is ky, so dapat ang du natin is kdy. So, kailangan natin ng kdy din. So, mangyayari, 1 over k. Then, pag na-satisfy na yun, ln ng, ln ky. Okay? So, sa derivative ng tama ba? Okay? It's equals to, yung plus yun natin. Okay? It's equals to x plus c. Okay? Pero since meron tayong plus c, pwedeng pag-combine na lang natin. Okay? Then, kasunod natin step is to simplify. So, paano natin to simplify yan? So, what we can do muna is to change muna tong term na to. So, sa property ng natural logarithm, kapag may coefficient pa dun sa unahan, pwede mo siyang gawing exponent nung exponent nitong nasa loob ng natural logarithm. Okay? So, we have ln ky raised to 1 over k. Okay? Then, plus c is equals to x plus c. Okay? So, ito, pwedeng halimbawa tinranspose natin dito. So, parang, pwede pag-minus yun, kailangan meron pa din ng constant. So, hindi mawawala yun. So, simplify ko lang from left side. Basta yung c is nagre-represent ng any arbitrary constant. Okay? Then, ang kasunod natin. Okay? Mag-erase natin sa e yung ln para ma-eliminate yung ln. So, both sides, erase natin ng e. So, itong e raised to ln ky, magiging na lang siyang ky raised to 1 over k equals to ex plus c. Okay? And then, simplify na lang. So, ky 1 over k equals to ex times e raised to c. Property ng exponent. Okay? Then, e raised to c is equals to c na lang ulit. No? Kasi exponential function, meron siyang value na 2.7 something. Tapos constant yan. So, ito magiging problem natin will be ky raised to 1 over k equals to c e x. Okay? So, ito na yung given solution natin para sa problem. Okay? So, hindi naman siya initial value problem. So, hindi natin ma-eliminate yung value ni c. Okay? Question to? Question? Or try natin yung isa, Hindi ko, ang gawin ko, ang i-separate ko lang is yung y lang, no? Kasi medyo ko dito sa 1 over k. I-try natin yung isang solution. Kapag hindi natin sinama yung k dun sa given problem natin. So, dy over dx equals to ky So, gawin ko dy over y equals to k dx. Okay? So, ito yung pagkakaseparate ko. Ito yung sa first one. Then, number 2, integrate natin. So, dy over y. So, k dx. This will be ln y plus c is equals to kx plus c. Okay? Then again, pwede ko nang eliminate ng plus c dito kasi represented na siya nitong c na to. Okay? So, magiging ln y equals to kx plus c. Then raise natin by e both side. So, e ln y is equals to y equals to e kx plus c or y equals to e kx times ec. Then si ec is pwede represent as c na lang din. So, y is equals to c e kx. Okay? So, mas gusto ko itong isang solution ko kasi mas may value tayo ng y. So, ito na lang i-accept natin solution. Okay? Okay? So, later on, itong mismong solution na to, magagamit natin sa application. So, nagagamit ko sa application ng growth and decay o yung kung gaano kabilis mag-multiply yung bacteria. Magagamit natin yung later on sa application. Okay? Next example. Okay? So, next, find the solution to the given differential equation. So, yung differential equation natin is y prime equals to yx cubed. Okay? So, gagawin natin. So, si y prime, alam natin na equals din sa dy over dx. So, gawin kong dy over dx yan. So, dy over dx is equals to yx cubed. Okay? Then, kailangan ma-eliminate si y dun sa right side, dun si dx dun sa left side. So, pwede itong gawin. I-multiply ko ng dx both side of the equation. Tapos, i-divide ko by y. So, mangyayari ang dito. So, dy times dx all over y equals to x cubed dx all over y. So, cancel yung dx. Okay, dx. Then yung y dito. So, separated na siya. It's equals to x cubed dx. Okay, so ito yung sa first step. Next is to get yung integration. Okay. So we have integration ng dy over y equals to integration ng x cubed dx. So we have ln y is equals to x to the fourth all over 4 plus c. Okay? Or pwedeng gawin natin ln c para parehas nung given natin na may ln tayo dito. No? Okay? So, simplify na natin. Gawin natin ln y equals to x to the fourth over 4 plus ln c. Pwede natin multiply by 4 lahat ng side. Kung itong 4 ln y equals to x to the fourth plus ln c. So, pwedeng retain na ln c na lang siya kasi constant naman yan. Okay? Then, pag samahin natin yung para sa may ln, gawin natin x to the fourth is equals to 4 ln y minus ln c. So, again, constant of integration to. So, pwede siyang negative or positive. No? Walang kaso. No? Kahit nilipat natin, dapat negative siya. Pero, kumbaga, ano nga yan, arbitrary constant yan. Okay? Then x to the fourth is equals to, pag naka-plus ang ln, so 4 ln, ibig sabihin c times y. Okay? So this will be our final answer. Okay? Or kung mas strict kayo, pwedeng x to the fourth is equals to, magiging ln, tapos cy raised to 4. Okay? Okay? May question, interrupt nyo lang ako, ha? Next, we have this third example. So alpha d beta plus beta d alpha plus alpha beta times 3 delta alpha plus ito, d beta is equals to 0. So kailangan, combine lang natin yung terms. So magandang gawin itong may parenthesis yung third term, i-distribute natin. No? So we have alpha d beta plus beta d alpha plus 3 alpha beta d alpha plus alpha beta d beta is equals to 0. Then combine natin yung magkakaparehas. So, wait lang ako ibang kulay. Okay? So, si alpha, si d alpha ay ito, tsaka ito. And si beta is ito, tsaka ito. Okay? So, pag-combine nilang natin. So, we have beta plus 3 alpha beta. Ito yung d alpha plus alpha plus alpha beta. Ito yung d beta is equals to 0. Okay? And then, next, pwede natin factor out yung dito, pwede natin factor out yung beta. Dito yung alpha. Okay? So, magiging beta times 1 plus 3 alpha d alpha plus alpha times 1 plus beta d beta is equal to 0. Okay? Para malipat naman yung beta tsaka alpha, kasi ito nagko-conform na to eh. Kailangan na lang ilipat is ito tsaka ito. So try natin i-multiply both sides. By 1 over alpha tsaka beta. Okay? Itong first term natin magiging 1 plus 3 alpha d alpha over alpha. Kasi yung beta magka-cancel out. Plus 1 plus beta d beta over beta. And then alpha magka-cancel out. Is equals to 0. Okay? Kung tinignan yung terms, no? Itong first term natin is in terms of alpha na lang. Second term is in terms of beta. Okay. Next is to simplify. So, pag simplify, pwedeng term by term. So, okay. So, yung gagawin natin, i-distribute lang natin yung d alpha. Tsaka yung d beta. So, yung first term natin will be d alpha over alpha plus 3 alpha d alpha over alpha plus d beta over beta plus beta d beta over beta is equals to 0. Then ito magka-cancel out yung alpha nila. Then beta. Matitira is d alpha over alpha plus 3 d alpha plus d beta over beta plus d beta is equals to 0. Then, integrate. So, integrate natin sa isa. Okay. So, ito will be d alpha over alpha is ln alpha plus 3d d alpha. So, 3 alpha plus ln beta plus beta plus c is equals to 0. Okay. Then, para mas convenient, gawin natin si C, gawin natin naka-ln din. No? We have ln alpha plus ln beta plus ln C. And transpose natin sa other side yung itong dalawang term na to. We have negative 3 alpha minus beta. Then, pag sinimplify natin, since ito is naka-addition, property ng natural logarithm, pwede siyang maging isang ln lang. Then, alpha, beta, times c is equals to negative 3 alpha minus beta. So, this will be your solution for the given problem. Okay? So, okay na, na-admit ko na si Mr. Flores, no? Okay na. Okay.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay. Another example. So, we have x dy minus y dx is equals to x squared dy. So, try natin separate muna. No? So, para ma-separate yan, maganda pagsamahin nyo yung dy sa left side and sa right side yung dx. So, nangyari, so si x dy, mas transpose ko to dito sa kabila, magiging negative x squared dy. Then itong term na to, transfer natin mo dito. Is equals to y dx. Okay? Then factor out natin yung dy sa kanya. So magiging x minus x squared dy is equals to y dx. Then pag para ma-separate siya, divide lang natin by 1 over x minus x squared at y. So itong dy over y is equals to dx all over x minus x squared. Okay? Then we can now derive, no? Kaya yung kabila, yung right side, magiging dy over y is equals to dx all over x times 1 minus x. Okay? We can now integrate. So integration ito. Okay? So yung left side madali. Yung right side, may challenge. Ano? Since na-tackle na natin sa integral calculus to, siguro madali na yung right side. So yung sa left side, magiging sagot lang niya is ln y lang. Pero yung sa right side, kailangan para ma-integrate siyang mas madali, i-change natin siya sa yung partial fraction natin. No? Pwede natin i-apply yung partial fraction dyan. So, yun muna yung unahin natin. Okay? So, partial fraction muna natin to x1 minus x. Okay? So, sa partial fraction, kapag yung denominator niya is linear, tapos, ang pwedeng factor natin is a over x plus b times 1 minus x. Okay? Then simplify natin. So, we will have 1 is equals to, or multiply natin both sides. by x times x 1 minus x. So ito magiging a times 1 minus x plus b times x. Okay? Then kapag nag-assume tayo ng values, so if x is equals to 0, so yung dito sa a natin, magiging 1 minus 0, yung b natin 0. Kasi a is equals to 1. Then kapag x is equals to 1, yung a naman natin magiging 0. Then b natin b equals to 1. So therefore, yung partial fraction natin will be 1 over x plus 1 over 1 minus x. So ito yung partial fraction nito given ano natin term na yun. Okay? Next, pwede natin ibalik to sa original. So dy over y is equals to dx over x plus dx all over 1 minus x. Okay? And integrate. So we have ln y is equals to ln x plus dito, naka-negative siya. So kailangan negative yung taas mo. So multiply natin ng negative 1. Then ln 1 minus x plus ln c. Okay? And simplify natin. So we have ln y is equals to ln x minus ln 1 minus x plus ln c. Then pwede natin pagsamahin sa pwede natin siguro transpose to doon sa kabila. Pwede natin ln y plus ln 1 minus x is equals to ln x plus ln c. Then applying yung property ng natural logarithm, ito magiging ln y times 1 minus x is equals to ln x times c. Or since both side are naka-ln, pwede nyo alisin yung ln. So magiging siyang y times 1 minus x is equals to x times c. Okay? So this will be your solution. Okay? Question? Wala? Naintindihan? Galing nga.
Hindi po. Hindi.
So may question. Okay, kasi yan yung last example ko. Kaya tatanong ko kung may question kayo.
Nahihilo na po, sir.
Hilo na. Yeah, integral at differential yan. Kaya ganun talaga. No? Sige. Exercise tayo para makita ko kung gumagana ang utak. So, patry akong pa-solve nito. So, I hope may magsagot naman. So, solve dy over dx is equals to 2y plus 3 all over 4x plus 5 squared. Okay, patry.
No.
Kung anong solution para sa given differential equation. So, kaya kailangan sa mga property ng exponent ng logarithm at natural logarithm, aware din tayo. So, makikireview. Okay? Para naman doon sa partial fractions, you can always visit yung recorded video natin last semester. At tayo para ma-refresh kung paano partial decomposition. Ikli lang solution dito sa problem mo. Nagsosolve ba niya? Mamaya wala na pala sa solve niya. So, siguro hint para dun sa first hint, yung sa property ng exponent. So, let's say meron tayong given na exponent na x over y, parallel siya sa squared. So, may property tayo na kung ano yung exponent niya, pwede maging x squared over y squared siya. Okay? So, kung x over y raised to n or any number, so xn over yn. So, yan yung i-apply nyo dyan. Pag in-apply nyo yun dito, meron tayong dy over dx is equals to 2y plus 3 squared over 4x plus 5 squared. So, mapapansin nyo agad, yung numerator, naka in terms of y, yung denominator, naka in terms of x. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nyo, madali lang siya na-separate, no? So, pag sineparate siya, magiging siya dy all over 2y plus 3 squared is equals to dx all over 4x plus 5 squared. Ayan, may integral na lang labanan dyan. Kung paano may integral yan. Okay. So, sa integral, kapag may integral tayo, na yung ilalim natin is, so, power na lang to, no? So, xn dx equals to n, hindi, equals to x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Okay? Basta si n is not equal to negative 1. Okay? Kung nahihiyang i-type yung sagot na lang, kaya kung may sagot, type na lang. Or may other question doon sa kanina? Okay. Pag in-integrate tong left side, try natin. So, yung sa ilalim, pwede natin lagay sa taas. So, yung exponent natin magiging -2 dy is equals to 4x plus 5 -2 dx. Then integrate natin. So, dito, ito yung u natin, yung u. So, we have u is equals to 2y plus 3. So, du natin dapat ay 2 dy dapat. At sa kabila, u natin is 4x plus 5. So, ang du natin should be 4 dx. So, kailangan mag-multiply tayo ng 1/2 tsaka 1/4 dun sa kabila. Okay. We have 1/2 times integral of 2y plus 3 -2. Then, ito yung 2 dy equals to 1/4 4x plus 5 -2 4 dx. Okay? So, once satisfied na yung u, pwede mo nang gamitin yung formula nito, itong formula nito. Okay? So, this will be 1/2 then 2y plus 3 -2 plus 1 is -1 all over -1 is equals to 1/4 4x plus 5 -1 over -1 plus c. Okay? So, this will be negative 1/2 times 1 all over 2y plus 3 equals to negative 1/4 4x plus 5. Okay, mali. 1 over 4x plus 5 plus c. So, pwede natin gawin, multiply natin both side by -4 para ma-simplify. So, this will be 2 all over 2y plus 3 is equals to 1 over 4x plus 5 plus c. So, this will be your final answer. Okay? Kaya pa-review din ulit ng integral ha. Especially kapag meron partial fraction. Okay. That ends our lecture for today. So, may question kaya regarding our topic?
Sir, pwede po isang sample, sir.
Isa pa. Isa example pa ulit. Ano sa po? Maubusan na ako ng pambili sa exam. Okay. Okay, ito. Try natin isa pang example. So, halimbawa ay solve the initial value problem dy over dx is equals to y squared minus 4 if y at x is equals to 0 is equals to -2. Okay? So, solve lang natin yung initial problem na ito yung given differential equation. Pinapahanap yung solution. Okay? So, given yung condition na to na yung y natin is equals to -2 if y is equals to, x is equals to 0. So, kailangan kunin muna natin yung solution o yung function natin mismo. So, we have dy or dx is equals to y squared minus 4. So, magiging dy over y squared minus 4 equals to dx. So, separated na siya. So, integration na tayo. So, integrate natin. So, ang makita doon sa ibaba, pwede mong factor yung plan. So, yung siyang dy over y plus 2 tsaka y minus 2. Okay. Is equals to dx. So, para mas mapadali yun, kailangan i-apply muna natin yung partial fraction. Okay. So, partial fraction muna nung given fraction natin na yun. So, meron tayong 1 over y plus 2 tsaka y minus 2. Partial fraction na is a over y plus 2 plus b all over y minus 2. So, para makuha yung partial fraction, multiply natin by the denominator. So, we have 1 is equals to a times y minus 2 plus b times y plus 2. Okay? So, if y is equals to 2, mangyayari ay 1 is equals to a plus 2 minus 2 plus b times 2 plus 2. So, if 1 is equals to 10 minus 0, so b times 4, or simply b is equals to 1/4. Next, kapag y is equals to negative 2, so si equation natin will be 1 is equals to a, negative 2 plus b, negative 2 plus 2. So this term will be 0. So 1 is equals to negative 4a, or a is equals to negative 1/4. Okay? So meron tayong a and b. So given partial fraction natin will be negative 1 all over 4 times y plus 2 plus 1 over 4 times y minus 2. Okay? Then, derive natin. Pwede na natin siyang i-integrate, I mean. So, dito, pag binalik mo siya dito, ito magiging negative dy all over 4 times y plus 2 plus dy all over 4 y minus 2. Okay? Is equals to dx. Then, integrate natin. Okay? So, ma-integrate to, labas natin yung constant. Then, ln y plus 2 plus 1/4 ln y minus 2 is equals to x plus c. Okay? So, may plus c tayo doon. So, magandang gawin ay multiply natin both side by 4 para ma-simplify. Times 4. So, this will be negative ln y plus 2 plus ln y minus 2 is equals to 4x plus c. Okay? And ito, pwede natin combine to. Yung itong ln y minus 2 all over y plus 2 is equals to 4x plus c. And para ma-eliminate sa ln, raise natin by e both side. So, magigitong y minus 2 all over y plus 2 is equals to e 4x. Tapos naka-plus c, 2 times e c siya. So, pwede siya maging equal sa e 4x times c. Okay? So, lagyan ko to ng 1 dito para hindi magulo. Tapos to, c2. Okay? So, meron tayong given na value ng y. Okay? So, ito yung solution natin una. Y plus 2 is equals to e 4x c2. Ngayon, may given na kapag ang x is equals to 0, y is equals to negative 2. So, anong gagawin natin doon? Pag 0, so we have negative 2, and then negative 2 plus 2 is equals to e 40 c2. So, yung left side will be 0. Ito will be c2. So, c2 is equals to 0. So, yung final answer natin will be y minus 2 all over y plus 2. Then c2 natin is taken as 0. Okay, this will be 0. So, pinaka-final answer natin is y minus 2 is equals to 0. Ito yung hinahanap natin solution. Y minus 2. Okay? Kapag pinapahanap is yung solution with the, halimbawa hindi siya initial value problem, ang pinasagot na natin ay ito. Okay? Habang halimbawa solution lang pinapahanap, so ito yung pinagsasagot niya. Pero once na pinahanap yung may value natin na initial value problem natin, sasubstitute na yung value niya. Okay? Question?
Required po ba talaga pag may LN po? Ano po ng E?
Hindi, kasi kailangan mo ng value ng y. Diba kasi
Pag kailangan.
pinapanap sa'yo. Oo, kasi kung ano, since property naman siya ng, mukha para siyang algebraic manipulation mo siya eh. So, para mas simplify mo yung problem.
Okay po, sir.
Okay, any more question?
Ano
Okay.
po naging y minus 2 yun?
Alin? Y minus
Yung
2, ito.
Dalas.
Kasi itong denominator, pag plus multiply mo dito, will be 0 na. No? So, matitira ay y minus 2.
Sige po.
Okay na? Pero don't worry about this section muna kasi hindi ito kasama sa exam. Ano? Hanggang doon lang tayo sa solution. Okay? So, yung mabibigay na problem sa inyo is ano siya, hindi mo pa kailangan i-categorize kung separable yung equation. Given yung differential equation, tapos may given ng solution, i-verify nyo lang kung solution nyo ng given differential equation. So, parang proving lang yung nangyayari sa exam. Kung siya ay solution ng differential equation. Itong may ginagawa tayong integral, so sa ano pa yan? Siguro mag-quiz na lang tayo regarding separable of variables. Okay? Any more question?
Wala na po.
Parang hinang-hina ka na. Okay? Okay, kung wala ng question, so that ends our lecture for today.